150mailer is one hot advertising platform that every marketer should have. Master marketer, Frank Salinas, one of our most trusted owners and admins, has just launched the amazing 150mailer. This is growing like wildfire because it provides effective advertising in the form of solo ads, banners, text ads, login ads, and some of the highest commission rates ever seen. Be the first in and experience an ad site that flat out gets you results. Solo ads, banner ads, text link ads, login ads, activity rewards, 100% commissions. You can't go wrong with Frank Salinas and his super awesome 150mailer. Grab your free account now and get over $400 in free advertising. Take any upgrade inside and get this super cool personalized splash page for free to make you stand out in the crowd. Go ahead, get signed up now. It will be one of your best advertising decisions.